Hello, this is Moots at Trask. I want to introduce a new product to you. This is our twin cam M8 engine guard, designed to fit on the street glides or road glides. The reason we designed this is because we tried a lot of different engine guards that are out there, and none of them seem to work with our turbo kit due to the location of the air filter. So we made one, fits right on a bike, super easy install, and we should have them at the booth in Sturgis. So first thing we did is we removed the stock engine guard. It comes around like this. I'm going to remove the two upper regulator oil cooler mount fasteners, 1/4-20, and we're going to reuse the fasteners that held on the engine guard on both sides, the Torx fasteners. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking bolts off. We're going to Loctite these. There's only 4 fasteners. I want to point out that on this road glide, it had the upper fairing supports that mount to the factory engine guard. This style fairing is actually very rigid. It doesn't need these mounts. I'm going to go ahead and take them off. If you are more comfortable, Harley has a lower fairing support that fits right on and replaces these so that you can run the low profile engine guard. I'm just going to hang it by the 2 upper fasteners. Carefully slide in between the fender and the chassis. Get these started. Okay, the upper fasteners, 1/4-20, 110 inch-pounds. Lower fasteners, 3/8-16, be 28 foot-pounds. We got her installed, got plenty of room for your foot and toe shifter, clears the air cleaner on the right side, plenty of room for your rear brake, your foot and rear brake pedal. It's not too low, you should be able to turn just fine. You're going to actually touch your floorboard before you touch this thing. But these Delrin end caps are replaceable. Nice clean part, easy to install. We dimpled the front of it for clearance to your fender for full suspension movement, and I think I got 5 minutes in this thing.